Hello and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to set up your PIXMA MP280 printer, including driver setup and software setup. At the end of the video we will scan some documents using the scanner. First, go to www.canon-europe.com/support. Then, as you can see, type in the printer name. In this case it's gonna be PIXMA space MP280. Then click on the result. Here you have the menu of downloadable things from Canon. The things you should be definitely interested is drivers. I downloaded drivers for Windows 7 because that's what I used. You can also find software like My Image Garden, Quick Menu, and some other stuff. Also manuals, firmware, etc. Now the original manual mentioned using a CD, but I will use a USB instead. Now I have downloaded 3 programs: the image viewer, easy menu, and the printer's drivers, of course. So first, run the printer's drivers, accept the warning if you're on Windows 7 or any other OS that requires UAC. Then proceed with the installation. Pick region, accept the agreement or else it will not install. Now you need to connect the printer to the computer and then wait until the drivers find it and the installation completes. There should be 2 required ports on the sides of the printer. On the left should be the power port, where you need to plug in the printer so that it has electricity, and on the right side you should have the USB-B port, which you then connect to your computer. Note that if you had your printer connected to the PC before starting installation, unplug the USB cable and plug it in again, just so that the PC can recognize the printer. Once you are sure you have correctly connected the printer, turn it on and wait for the drivers to recognize it. If the drivers installed successfully, you should see a message about them installing successfully. However, if you get driver installation unsuccessful or the driver installation just hangs for hours, check if you have installed the correct drivers. Previously, I have installed the incorrect drivers and have encountered into such issues. Now I will go ahead and install 2 other programs, Easy Menu and Image Magic. I think that's what they were called. The installation process is pretty simple. You just run the installer, accept its privileges, then pick region, pick country, and finish installation. Now, from what I saw, you put the paper into a hatch on the back of the printer. However, I have no ink for the printer, so I have no need to put paper in it. I use it as a scanner, so for ink and paper information, please refer to the manual, which you can also download from the website. Now I will quickly show you how to scan using the printer on Windows 7. So first, open the printer and fax app. It's called Windows Fax and Scan. Press New Scan. Then pick color format, file type, and resolution. I've had problems with resolutions over 600 dpi, so I stick to 600 dpi. Then it will scan the page, and you should see the page displayed in the app. You can save all of the images using Save As, or save the individual image by right-clicking on it and clicking Save As. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Note that there is also a Polish version available of this guide.